Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. In this video we'll cover chapter 3, topic is give and take part 6 from class 3 Mathematics NCERT book. You can also watch the starting chapters and part 1 to 5 of this topic using the links given in the description. So let's start with our video. Now here we have given some word problem. In previous video we have already solved few of the word problems and we have seen how to write the solutions. So we'll continue with the same. Here is another question. What it is saying, a shopkeeper Rafi has 153 candles. Paras gave him 237 more candles. So this is a shop, Rafi shop, and Paras gave Paras gave him 237 more candles. Rafi already had 153 candles. How many candles does Rafi have now? Now we have to find out how many candles Rafi will have now. So let's see how to solve this question. We have to add these two numbers. We'll write how many candles Rafi already have and how many candles Paras gave him. So this is the number 153. Rafi already has these many candles and number of candles Paras gave is 237. So here we have written number of candles shopkeeper had, number of candles Paras gave. So Paras gave 237. We have written these two numbers together and we'll add these two numbers to find out total number of candles Rafi will have now. If we add these two numbers, we get 390. So 7 plus 3 will give us 10 and 1 will go into carry. So 5 and 3 is 8 plus 1 give us 9 and 2 plus 1 is 3. So that's how we get 390. And here is another question. It is saying, is the sum more than 400 or less than 400? So we know this sum is less than 400. So answer to this question is sum will be less than 400. And we got this as a final answer. We can write like total number of candles Rafi have now equal to 390. Let's move to the next question. Work out the following story problem in the same way. Read each problem and say it in your words. Guess the answer before writing it. So let's see what is the problem. They are asking to solve in mind and just try to guess and then only write and see how much closer or if whatever you have calculated is it correct. So we'll check out this question. A train compartment is carrying 132 people. Another compartment is carrying 129 people. In all, how many people are there in both the compartments? Now this is one compartment. You can see here is a joint. So this is one compartment and here is another compartment. These are the two compartments. So in one compartment 132 people are traveling. In another one 129 people are traveling. So we'll have to find out in all how many people are traveling in both compartments. So we have to add these two numbers. If you write this number, also you need to notice 2 and 9 are written under ones place because this 2 and this 9 is ones place digit. So we have written under ones place. Tens place digit will written together under tens place. So 3 and 2 written together and 1 are written together in same column under hundreds place. If you add these two numbers, 9 to 11, it will give us 11, 1 will go in carry, 3 and 2, 5 and 1, 6 and this 1 and 1 will give us 2. So in total we have 261 people in both compartments. Total number of people in both compartments is 261. Let's see next question. Shanu found 138 pebbles. This is Shanu, this is Kareem. Kareem found 44 pebbles. This is the pebble. These small rocks called pebbles. How many pebbles did they find in all? So this is Shanu number, this is Kareem number. So we can add these two numbers and we can find how many in all, how many pebbles were found. So pebbles found by Shanu is 138. Pebbles found by Kareem is 44. Again we have written this problem. So this 4 is written under ones place, another 4 is written under tens place. There is no number in downside under hundreds place, because this is just a 2-digit number and this is 3-digit number. So this one is hundreds place digit number. So that's why it is written under hundreds place. Now if you add these two numbers, how many we get? 182. So pebbles found in all is 182. How we got 82? You have to add 8 and 4. If you add 8 and 4 together, we get 12 and 1 will go as a carry. And you have to add all the three numbers. 4, 3, 7 plus 1 will give us 8. 1 will written as it is. So in total we found 182 pebbles. Next question. This is very interesting problem. There is a teacher in the school who keep record of foods student like. This is what she find out. See what she find out. There is a school in which a teacher keeps record how many girls and boys like oranges and mangoes. So this is the record she maintain. And what we can see from this table, there are 136 girls who like oranges, 128 boys who like oranges, 240 girls like mangoes, 243 boys like mangoes. So this is the number we can read from this table. Now first question is saying how many students in the school like oranges. If you have to find out total number of students who like oranges, it means we have to look at these two numbers, because these are the girls and boys. These are the total number of students who like only oranges. So we have to look only the oranges column and we can add these two numbers. How to add this? Oranges liked by girl. So this is 136. Oranges liked by boy 128. And write like this. Again we have written here ones, tens and hundreds places, and we'll add these two numbers together. If you add these two numbers together, we get 264. How we got this number? 8 plus 6 will give us 14. 4 written over there and 1 moved to there. 1 moved to the tens place digit. 2 plus 3 give us 5. 5 plus 1 is 6. 1 plus 1 is 2. So that's how we got 264. So how many students in the school like oranges? So this 264 gave us the number of students who like oranges. Okay, let's see next question. How many students in the school like mangoes? Now this time we have to find out total number of students who like mangoes. So this is the mango column. This is the number of girls who like mangoes. This is the number of boys who like mangoes. So if you add these two numbers together, we can find out how many total students like mangoes. So let's add these two numbers together and we got 483. 3 plus 0 will give us 3, 4 plus 4 is 8, 2 plus 2 is 4. So that's how we find it, 483. Now we know total number of boys and girls like orange 264, total number of boys and girls like mangoes 483. So we know the answer to first two questions, A and B questions. Let's move to C and D. Let's find out C and D. Answers to C and D questions. Altogether, how many students are there in the school? So now here they are asking to find out altogether how many students are there in school. To find out total number of students, we have to add these two numbers. Why? Because this is the total number of students who like oranges, total number of students who like mangoes. If you add these two numbers together, we get total number of students in the school. So we can write these two numbers here. This is 264, this is 483, and if you add these together, we get 747. And this can also be written in this way: if total number of girls plus total number of boys. So this is the total number of girls and here is the total number of boys. 136 plus 240, and this is the total number of boys here, and this is the total number of girls here. If you add these two numbers, we get 376. 128 plus 243 will get 371. You can also write in this way and find out total number. So that's how we can find out the answer to these C. And what is D? Total number of girls. So this is the total number of girls. If you add these two numbers, we get 376. So now we have the answers to these questions. So that's it for this video, and I hope you have enjoyed this video and you